We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your
Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Happy Friday, y'all. So today we are going to be making a growth oil, and I'm going to be using these ingredients here. I have my aloe vera, my avocado, my fenugreek leaves. Yeah, I know we usually don't talk about fenugreek leaves, but there are fenugreek leaves. There's always the fenugreek seeds. There are fenugreek leaves, okay? So I'm going to be using my fenugreek leaves, and I am going to be using 1 cup of my almond oil. I might add about a half cup more, maybe, I don't know, because my girls and I, we have a lot of hair, especially the girls. So yeah, I like to make a lot of oil. That way I'm not always making oil. If this mommy is busy. So I have 1 cup of the almond oil, and the reason why I always use almond oil, I think I've said that before, is because the almond oil penetrates the hair strands really well. It goes deep. That is why I like to use my almond oil. So I'm just going to be using only the almond oil here today. So let's get started. I'm going to put this aside. So what we're going to do is grab a plate. I have my plate here. I'm going to be slicing up my aloe vera first. I don't have to do it any specific way. I'm just going to cut it up into cubes. That way it's easy to blend. And that's that. Next, I'm going to move on to my avocado. It's not fully ripe, but that's okay.
If I go, I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust this that's about to let us know? I'd go, but
Alright family, so the next thing here is to transfer all of these into the blender.
what if we run out of time and second chances? Empty hand.
So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And I'm going to blend this a little bit, and then the next thing I'm going to add into the blender is going to be my fenugreek leaves. So let's put a little bit of oil. So let's go blend this, y'all. All right, y'all, let's blend this. So put this in here.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better?
All right, y'all, so we have our blended ingredients. Now all we have to do is transfer this to the pot. This is how it looks. That's our avocado, aloe vera, and fenugreek leaves with a cup of almond oil. But like I said, we are going to be adding some oil in here because, y'all, my girls and I, we have a lot of hair. So I'm not going to be making oil every day, okay? So let's just make enough for the week. I'm trying to scoop everything out.
At home, I wanna know.
Now let's add 1 more cup of oil. So that will be 2 cups of the almond oil for this. This is my almond oil. I usually buy wholesale. I am almost done with the almond oil. So this is how my mixture is looking. Now we are going to transfer this to the stove top. It's going to sit there for 15 minutes on medium heat. first thing we have to do is turn this on. I like to start off on high, and then once it comes on, I go ahead and lower it. Alright, so let's set this on here. And like I said, this is going to stay on here for 15 minutes on medium heat. I will be watching this as well while it sits here. Alright guys, so all of the goodness from the ingredients that I use have been released into the oil. Now I'm going to let this cool down, and then we're going to move on to siphon the oil. So yeah, the oil has cooled down. That's my oil. You see how rich it looks. So let's go ahead and strain it, and then we're going to add our essential oils and also our glycerin. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you are loving this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear what you have to say about today's video. You can go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this growing family. It is absolutely free. If you love these type of videos, I do this every Friday. I release videos every Friday. So to show your support, join the team. It's absolutely free.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel it calling.
Alright y'all, so here's the oil. It is ready, but I have to add a few ingredients here, and I'm starting off with my glycerin. Glycerin helps to hydrate the hair. It nourishes and conditions the hair, making it soft and frizz-free. It also prevents split ends and decreases breakage. Next, I'm moving on to my clove. Cloves have high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. It also thickens the hair and it reduces hair fall. I am so much into cloves lately. I put that into my tea, my hair tea, my regular tea I'm drinking. I'm telling y'all, I am so into cloves. And my last oil here is my rosemary essential oil. You want to make sure to put the rosemary essential oil into a carrier's oil. Don't just apply this to your hair, okay? It is not advisable to do so. Rosemary is also a powerhouse. Y'all, can we just say this? Can we establish the fact that whatever God made is just so awesome? Everything that He has created is just so awesome for us to live a healthy and longer life. Can we just establish that fact? Yeah. So this is my oil. The rosemary in here is going to help to thicken your hair. It also stimulates hair growth. Rosemary suppresses DHT. If you are struggling with dandruff or any kind of hair issues, you can use this oil. That is going to help with that. And this oil is also going to help grow your hair. I have my avocado here, my rosemary, and my fenugreek leaves, as well as the aloe vera. Fenugreek leaves are excellent for the health of your scalp and your hair. It helps to slow down the ability of DHT. Fenugreek also contains so many great vitamins such as vitamins A, B, and C. Also K. So if you use this oil regularly, you are going to see the health of your hair improve. If you are struggling with any type of hair issues, like I said earlier, you can use this hair oil to address that. Again, so many powerful ingredients in here that can help in strengthening your hair, addressing those scalp issues, and also promoting hair growth. Alright family, so this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are inspired to go ahead and make your own growth oil. Alright. Don't just watch the video. Go make your very own growth oil. Alright, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, please don't forget to do that. This is just going to help this channel a lot. Thank you all for watching. Have a very blessed weekend, and I'll see you all in the next video. Remain blessed, and I love you guys. Bye.
Watch your aura pass me by.